Will the world end in 2012? Good question. I might not be no scientist or some nerd or geek or whatnot, but I sure as hell know my stuff. The world will not end in 2012, nor will it ever end. There are possible ways it could end, but those ways have not been happening forever. Yes, the Mayan calendar ends on December 21st, 2012. Doesn't mean we're going to end because of their gay calendar that they write on fucking walls is going to end. Like, yeah, let's just write a bunch of shit on walls and this day is going to end. No, what the fuck? No. Yeah, that's just retarded. But the only thing you really need to worry about, two ways, the only two ways you need to worry about how the world is going to end. Alright, the first really big one, hyperinflation. It's already started, but it could bust out even bigger, and it will soon enough. So prepare for that. Get your survival kits, your disaster kits, but make sure you go to major surplus and survival. Best place. But other than that, there is one more way, which is the sun. The sun reaches its maximum points of heat levels, so the sun could bust out into sun flares. Even though the sun has been maxed out many times, has not busted into sun flares, which is good, and it probably could not happen. But our electromagnetic fields are weakening, so if that weakens and the sun flare bursts, it could go through our electromagnetic fields, and you could have one hot life. But and then another way, that's not really going to matter. You're just going to be really hot, so make sure you stack up in water and go to your local beaches. Easy as that. But also, it can go through the North Pole and the South Pole, and then supposedly it's going to reverse, but it's not going to do that. But the thing is, if it does go through the North Pole and the South Pole, what is going to happen is it's going to cause blackouts and no electricity. It's going to be down for about 4 to 10 years, they say. But with the technology we have now, I would say at least approximately 5 years for it to come back up, because our technology is really top notch. But other than that, if it does reach its maximum and does bust out into one big sun flare and it goes through those two sides, it's just going to go through the earth core. Can't even say this right. Earth core, and it will get the earth core to crumble together, which is going to cause major earthquakes, which can cause to a lot of deaths. But on top of that, if it does compact a major earthquake, it will hit the ocean surface. And when it hits the ocean surface, which is going to cause major tsunamis. And even on top of that, it's going to cause a super volcano, which then we'll be all wiped out. There goes our lives, which is sad to think about. And what that could happen. But guess what? We're all safe because it's not going to happen. Like I said, the sun has been maxing out in its capacity for years and thousands and hundreds of years, and has not busted out into sun flares. Yes, it had only once. The only one time I heard about. And meteorites and shit like that, that's not going to happen. We have technology that'll stop that instantly. But, yeah, and that's it. And then, another way I was thinking about, I don't think it will cause the end of the world, but it can cause some really bad thing, like harmful stuff. Nuclear wars, or chemicals, or radiations. Just all you need is your gas mask and radiation suit, and you're fine. But other than that, On December 21st, 2012, the world will not end, so stop tripping out. Peace out, guys.